The quest for manifesting money effortlessly is a journey that many embark upon, seeking to uncover the secrets to financial abundance. To get into this, we turn to principles laid out by influential thinkers who have illuminated the path to prosperity. By thinking about the teachings of these profound minds, you can learn how to align your thoughts and actions to effortlessly attract financial abundance. The first step in manifesting money with ease is understanding the core concept of living in the end. This principle revolves around the idea of assuming the feeling of having already achieved your financial goals. Instead of focusing on the lack of money or the difficulties in attaining it, immerse yourself in the sensation of already having it. Feel the joy, relief, and satisfaction as if your financial desires have already come to fruition. This emotional and mental alignment with your goal sends a powerful signal to your subconscious mind, which then works to manifest those desires into your reality. A crucial aspect of this process is to ensure that your assumptions are consistently positive and focused on abundance. If you find yourself dwelling on doubts or fears about money, acknowledge these thoughts without judgment and gently redirect your focus to affirmations of wealth and success. Your subconscious mind responds to your dominant thoughts, so maintaining a consistent and positive mental attitude is key. Another effective technique is to engage in creative visualization. Picture yourself in scenarios where your financial goals are realized. Imagine the details vividly, how you feel, what you see, and how your life is transformed. This practice not only helps solidify your desire, but also imprints it onto your subconscious mind. The more vividly and frequently you visualize, the stronger the impact on your ability to manifest. Incorporate the practice of gratitude into your daily routine. Expressing gratitude for what you currently have and even for the financial abundance you are expecting aligns your energy with positive outcomes. When you show appreciation for your present circumstances and anticipated wealth, you create a magnetic force that attracts more of what you desire. Additionally, it's important to act as if your financial goals are already realized. This means adopting the behaviors and attitudes of someone who is already living your desired financial reality. Whether it's making decisions as if you have more money or engaging in activities that reflect your new financial status, acting as if you are already there helps to bridge the gap between your current situation and your desired outcome. Your belief in the inevitability of your success plays a significant role. Cultivate a deep-seated conviction that what you desire is not only possible, but certain. This unwavering belief acts as a driving force that propels your efforts and aligns your actions with your financial goals. The more you believe in the certainty of your success, the more naturally it will unfold in your life. Focus on aligning your actions with your intentions. Manifestation is not solely about mental practices, but also involves taking practical steps that support your financial goals. Create a plan that outlines the actions you need to take to achieve your desired financial outcomes. Whether it's exploring new investment opportunities, learning about financial management, or seeking additional income sources, taking deliberate actions reinforces your commitment and supports the manifestation process. Another powerful technique is to engage in affirmations that resonate deeply with your financial aspirations. Craft statements that reflect your goals and repeat them with conviction. For example, affirmations like, "I am attracting wealth effortlessly," or "money flows to me easily and abundantly," can reinforce a positive mindset and align your subconscious with your financial objectives. Combine these practices with a deep sense of trust in the process. Manifesting money effortlessly requires faith in the power of your own thoughts and intentions. Trust that the universe or whatever higher power you believe in is working in your favor to bring your financial dreams to reality. This trust alleviates any anxiety or impatience, allowing your manifestations to unfold naturally and effortlessly. By applying these principles, living in the end, maintaining positive assumptions, engaging in creative visualization, practicing gratitude, acting as if, cultivating belief, aligning actions, using affirmations, and trusting the process, you pave the way for manifesting money with ease. These techniques, when practiced consistently and with genuine intent, help you align your energy with your financial desires and make the process of attracting wealth a natural and effortless experience. To deepen your understanding of manifesting money effortlessly, it's crucial to recognize the significance of self-concept in relation to wealth. Your self-concept, how you view yourself, shapes your reality. If you see yourself as someone who struggles with money or believes financial abundance is difficult to achieve, that's the reality you will continually manifest. Shifting your self-concept to one of wealth, ease, and abundance is key to making lasting changes in your financial life. To begin this shift, you must first examine your underlying beliefs about money. Often, we inherit limiting beliefs from our families, society, or personal experiences. These beliefs, such as money is hard to come by or only certain people can be wealthy, act as barriers to financial success. The good news is that beliefs are changeable. Once you become aware of these limiting thoughts, you can replace them with empowering beliefs that support your financial goals. Start by adopting the belief that you are deserving of financial abundance. Many people unconsciously believe they are unworthy of wealth, which leads to self-sabotage. By affirming your worthiness of prosperity, you open the door for greater financial opportunities to flow into your life. Understand that the universe is abundant and that there is more than enough wealth to go around. You don't need to take from others to receive what is rightfully yours. Another key element in manifesting money effortlessly is detaching from the outcome. Detachment doesn't mean giving up on your goal. Rather, it means releasing the need to control how and when the money will appear. Obsessing over the outcome can create resistance and block the natural flow of abundance. Instead, trust that once you've set your intentions and aligned your energy, the universe will deliver in its own perfect timing. Letting go of the need to micromanage the process allows the money to come to you in unexpected and often more fulfilling ways. In addition to working on your mindset, you must cultivate a sense of inner peace and calm around money. Financial anxiety or stress can repel abundance, while a calm, peaceful state allows you to remain open to receiving. Practices such as meditation, mindfulness, or simply spending time in nature can help you cultivate this inner calm. When you are in a state of peace, you are in harmony with the energy of wealth, making it easier for money to flow into your life. Another important aspect is to expand your sense of gratitude. While gratitude is often discussed in terms of appreciating what you have, it can also be used to appreciate the wealth that is on its way to you. Feel genuine gratitude for the financial abundance that is already making its way into your experience, even if it hasn't yet manifested physically. This practice amplifies your magnetic power to attract money effortlessly, and surround yourself with symbols of abundance. This doesn't necessarily mean spending money frivolously, but rather aligning your environment with the energy of wealth. Whether it's upgrading your workspace, investing in high-quality items that make you feel prosperous, or decluttering your home to make space for abundance, the energy in your environment has a significant impact on your ability to manifest. When you create a space that reflects the abundance you desire, you signal to the universe that you are ready to receive. By focusing on shifting your self-concept, releasing limiting beliefs, detaching from outcomes, maintaining inner peace, amplifying gratitude, and aligning your environment with wealth, you are creating a powerful foundation for manifesting financial abundance effortlessly. Each step you take in this direction moves you closer to the reality of your ideal financial situation. As we come to the close of this message, there's something crucial to keep in mind. Everything you need to manifest the life you desire is already within you. You have the power to shape your reality, whether it's financial abundance, success, or any other form of prosperity. The secret lies in using your imagination, aligning with the feeling of having already achieved what you desire, and allowing it to unfold effortlessly. Think of your imagination as a tool that, when used effectively, can create a bridge between your current circumstances and the life you wish to live. By practicing the art of living in the end, as we've discussed, you actively align yourself with the reality you want to experience. The more you embody this state, the faster the universe will respond to your intentions. What's viral now is to put these principles into practice. Don't just let them sit as interesting ideas or theories. Let them become a living part of your daily life. Whether you're focusing on financial goals or any other area, apply these teachings with consistency. The results might not always be immediate, but they will be inevitable as long as you remain aligned with your desires and trust in the process. If this message has resonated with you, I invite you to take a moment to reflect on what you've learned today and consider how you can implement it. Stay connected to your vision, trust in your inner power, and watch as your desires begin to manifest effortlessly. Now, before you go, I encourage you to show your support by liking this video and subscribing to the channel. It's a simple action, but it helps ensure that more valuable content like this reaches others who are on the path to manifesting their best lives. Another way you can stay connected with this powerful content is by hitting the notification bell. That way, you'll never miss an update and can continue deepening your understanding of how to manifest abundance in all areas of your life. If you found today's message impactful, drop a comment below and share your thoughts or experiences with manifesting. I love hearing from viewers like you, and your insights could help inspire others on their journey. Also, feel free to share this video with someone who could benefit from these teachings. Together, we can spread the knowledge and inspire others to unlock their own potential for creating the life they truly want. Lastly, if you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. By doing so, you're ensuring that you stay connected with the flow of content designed to support you in your personal growth and manifestation journey. Thank you for being here today and for investing in your own growth. Continue to believe in your power to manifest the life you desire and never stop reaching for your dreams. With the right mindset, anything is possible. Now, go out there and create the life you want.